Guys, today I'm gonna show you all new RAPOO. I'm unboxing this white keyboard and mouse. No doubt it's an absolute blinder. It's a very good keyboard and mouse. Just check it out. Okay, I'm removing this. Yep, yeah, it's packed very hard. Nice looking keyboard. Yeah, this is it. See, it's tiny in size. It's very weightless. Very nice. And here comes the keyboard also. It looks quite large, but it is also very good. Okay, and here is the keyboard. Are you seeing? Yeah, yes, this is the keyboard. See how much smart it is. And one thing for sure, uh, it is a dust resistant. And also check this. Yes, very good. Yes, hope if you like my video, subscribe it. Thank you.